We've discussed how to add services and products to your Gather statement, but we'll now go over what to do with your statement after or towards the end of the arrangement. Once the family is satisfied with their statement and are ready to sign it, the funeral director will want to freeze the statement. The point of freezing your statements in Gather is that it acts as an indicator to your staff and to the reports in Gather that this statement and the numbers and amounts contained within it are current and accurate. There are a few different ways to freeze your Gather statement. Back up to our top left corner of the statement page, click on the pencil, and then click on Freeze Statement. You can also click on the Frozen Status pencil in the top left spot of the statement itself and freeze from here. Or you can scroll to the bottom of your Gather statement page and click on the Freeze Statement button at the bottom. The final and the most common way to freeze your statement automatically is to prepare it for signatures. This can be done via the print and sign or e-signature options presented when clicking on the Sign Statement button under the pencil in the top left corner. Or you can navigate towards the bottom of the statement page and click Sign Statement from there. Gather will ask if you're sure you'd like to continue freezing and show you examples of what any revisions might look like. Once your statement is frozen, those numbers will now flow into reports in Gather, and all changes made to the statement going forward will be tracked. You will also notice that a snowflake icon has replaced each place there used to be the Edit pencil, as well as in the top center icon of our statement page. These will serve as quick indicators that a statement has been frozen, but you will also see an indicator of this on the case card on your dashboard and the preview window on the Organize page. Let's try modifying an item on our statement, but before we do, go ahead and make sure our revisions are toggled on to show statement revisions. This can be found under the snowflake in the top left corner. Once revisions are toggled on, use the three-dot menu to choose the option to change the price of an item by selecting Specify Price. Let's just go ahead and change the price of this item to something different than it was originally. Gather will remind you that your statement is frozen and what will happen by unfreezing. This edit will now be visible in orange below the statement item. Let's practice the same for deleting, adding, or discounting an item. You'll see all edits appear in orange below the edited statement item. This helps you, as well as the family, keep track of any changes that took place after the statement was finalized originally. This can include price changes for obituary notices, discounts for merchandise, or simple mistakes. And if you don't like the way the revisions look on the final copy of the Gather statement, feel free to toggle those revisions back off. Still have support-related questions? You can call our support team directly at 208-908-0488, or you can chat in with our support team directly in the Gather platform.